welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 36. It's May 12th, 2026. Some awesome AI developments today, and we're going to make all of it make sense. Let's get into it. So imagine you are texting a friend about a homework idea, but every time you send a message, you have to wait ages for them to type back. That back and forth feels slow and choppy, right? Today's big story is about a company called Thinking Machines that wants to fix exactly that problem with AI. They are building an AI that listens to your voice and starts thinking about its answer while you are still speaking, instead of waiting until you finish. Think of it like switching from sending voice notes back and forth to having a real phone call where both people can jump in naturally. The system hears your words as they arrive, just like your ears catch sound right away, and it begins shaping a reply in the background. This matters because most AI today feels stiff and one-sided, especially when you are brainstorming school projects or just chatting about your day. If it works, future homework helpers or creative tools could flow like talking to a friend who gets you in real time, without constant pauses. For you personally, that means smoother conversations when you need quick ideas for an essay or game design instead of typing and waiting repeatedly. The company is still building it, so there is no public demo yet, but you can follow updates on tech news sites that cover new AI experiments. Keep an eye out for early tests that might appear once they are ready for people to try. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. You know how when you are texting, your phone shows 3 dots while your friend types, and you just have to wait? Now picture instead that your friend could start replying out loud the moment you begin speaking, even before you finish your sentence. That is the idea behind this real-time AI approach, and here is how it actually works step by step. First, the system hears your words as they come in, exactly like your ears pick up sound the instant it arrives. Second, it starts figuring out what you are asking while you are still talking, instead of hitting pause until you hit send. Third, it begins shaping its answer in the background so it can reply smoothly without a big delay once you stop. Think of it like a relay race, where the next runner starts moving the second the baton is handed off, rather than waiting at the finish line. And that is basically what Thinking Machines is trying to build, an AI that treats talking like a live conversation instead of a turn-based game. So next time someone says real-time AI dialogue, you can tell them it is basically removing the waiting game from chats. Not so scary, right? Now let's look at some cool stuff you can try today, starting with something free and relaxing. Anthropic just turned their Constitution document into an audiobook you can listen to at no cost. This document is basically a set of rules that helps their AI named Claude stay helpful, honest, and safe instead of giving harmful answers. It is read by 2 of the people who wrote it, and it includes a question and answer section about how they decided what the AI should and should not do. Think of the Constitution like a rule book for a game that keeps everyone playing fair and safe, so the AI does not wander into trouble. If you have ever wondered why AI sometimes refuse certain requests, this is a chill way to understand the thinking behind safer AI without reading anything. Go to the Anthropic website on your phone or laptop, find the Constitution audio, press play, and listen while you are walking or doing homework. Next up is a handy new way to find good AI stories without getting lost in random posts. Dig, the old school site that used to show the internet's best links, is back and now focused on collecting the most important AI updates in one place. Instead of scrolling through dozens of random feeds, it pulls together stories from key voices so you see only the stuff worth your time. This is perfect if you want to stay up on new tools without getting buried in tech jargon that feels like reading a foreign language. Head to the Dig website on your browser, sign up for their beta if it is open, and browse the AI section to see what stories they are highlighting. Try picking one headline that sounds interesting and clicking through to read the original article, like a treasure map leading you to the good stuff. Here are 2 quick bits to round things out. This Saturday at 6 in the evening Eastern Time, a group called AI Saturdays is hosting a free virtual meetup that walks beginners through setting up a language model on their own computer. No coding experience is needed for the basics. And they show you the steps live so you can follow along from your laptop. OpenAI also launched a tool called Daybreak that uses their models to find and fix security issues in software before problems get worse. It is aimed at teams that protect websites and apps, but it shows how AI is moving from just answering questions to actively keeping things safe. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.